Check out this Kia 2019 Stinger GT2. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3L-liter V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.